Hello students, this is my fourth class for class 12 students. In last 3 classes, I have discussed about the location and size of Assam and physical divisions of Assam. In this class, fourth class, I will discuss about the climate of Assam. Climate of Assam. In this class, there are mainly 2 long questions have more importance. That is, number 1, why the distribution of rainfall of Assam is different in different regions, and number 2 question, explain the factors which are influencing into the climate of Assam. Assamizat কৈ দিছো question দুটা অসমত বৰষুণৰ বিতৰণ ভিন্নতা হোৱাৰ মুখ্য কাৰণসমূহ কি কি আলোচনা কৰা আৰু 2 নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে অসমৰ জলবায়ুত প্ৰভাৱ বিস্তাৰ কৰা মুখ্য কাৰকসমূহ কি কি আলোচনা কৰা 2টা কোৱেশ্যনৰ মাৰ্কস প্ৰায় অলমোস্ট 5 মই এতিয়া অসমৰ জলবায়ুৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম We know that India is a tropical country. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23½ degree north latitude, which is known as Tropic of Cancer, is going through the middle of India. And this line of latitude divides India into 2 climatic zones. The southern part of Tropic of Cancer is known as tropical climatic zone, and the northern part of Tropic of Cancer is known as subtropical climatic zone. But it is very interesting that the Tropic of Cancer is not going through Assam. In northeast India, mainly 2 states, Tripura and Mizoram, is found where Tropic of Cancer is going. The Mizoram and Tripura of northeast India located in the southern part of Assam. So, actually, Assam is influenced by subtropical monsoon type of climate. Okay? The climate of Assam is, actual climate is subtropical monsoon climate. But in some books, it is given tropical monsoon climate of Assam. But geographically, actually it is subtropical monsoon type of climate found in Assam. Okay? Now we see what is the main characteristics of subtropical monsoon type of climate found in Assam. The main character is that summer is very hot and weighted. And winter is generally dry. It is the main character of our subtropical monsoon climate of Assam. Average annual rainfall of Assam is 230 to 250 centimeter annually. Annual temperature of Assam is almost 35 degrees Celsius. Summer temperature is mainly more than 35 degrees Celsius, 35 to 38 degrees Celsius, and winter temperature is generally 7 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. So average temperature of Assam is nearly 35 degrees Celsius. And humidity in summer season, humidity is 80% in summer season. But in winter, it is only 30 to 40% humidity found in the environment of Assam. Therefore, rainfall is very less over during the winter season. And you see now the location of Assam. Location of Assam and location of Ganga River Valley. That means location of Ganga River Valley and location of Brahmaputra River Valley is in same latitude. But both of these regions have different climatic conditions. The climatic condition of Brahmaputra River Valley and Ganga River Valley is quite different, but they are located in the same latitudinal line. That means the climatic conditions should be same, but it is not. Why? Because the climatic condition is not same as the landform system. The landform condition of both river valley is quite different. Generally, temperature is less over the Brahmaputra Valley than the Ganga River Valley because of its landform. The Brahmaputra River Valley is surrounded by hills and mountains all around. And therefore, a very different type of climatic condition is found in Assam, in Brahmaputra Valley than the Ganga River Valley. Okay? There are some districts which have very low temperature, such as Sonitpur, Dhuburi, Dibrugarh. In these districts, temperature is very, very low than other districts of Assam. Nagaon, Morigaon, Kamrup, in these districts, temperatures are generally high. On the other hand, in some districts of Assam, such as Lakhimpur, Dhemaji, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Kokrajhar, Chiran, Kasar, Karimganj, Hailakandi. In these states, rainfall is very high. They experience more than 300 centimeter rainfall annually. On the other hand, some districts, some areas which are very low amount of rainfall occur, such as Sorpothar, Barpothar subdivision of Golaghat district, Karbi Anglong district, Nagaon district, mainly Lamding, Longka, Hojai. In this region, rainfall is very less. Very less amount of rainfall found in summer season. It is recorded 126 centimeter rainfall annually in these districts. Why this type of distributions are different? Rainfall distributions are quite different among the districts of Assam. It is only because of landform conditions of different states. On the other hand, you see now, in winter season, all the districts of Assam is generally very low amount of rainfall. That means you can say there is no rainfall in winter season in Assam. Why? Because at that time, northeast monsoon is going on over the state. The monsoon has two different types. One is called northeast monsoon and other is called southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon is coming from Indian Ocean, from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Therefore, lots of rainfall occur all over India during this southwest monsoon. But northeast monsoon is coming from north of Himalayas. That means from the northern part of Asia, the wind is coming. The wind is very cold, as the wind is blowing from Siberia. And the wind is blowing from land area. Therefore, in this wind, there is no water moisture. And because of lack of water moisture, there is no rainfall occur during northeast monsoon. And Himalayas has great importance, great significance in the climatic variation of our country. In case of southwest monsoon, Himalayas mountains protect the wind and rainfall occur in the foothills season of Himalayas mountain and entire in India. And on the other hand, in case of northeast monsoon, the Himalayas also can protect it, and cold and the Himalayas mountains save our country from severe cold in winter season, because northeast wind is very cold, as it is blowing from Siberian region, and our country is totally protected during winter from severe cold. So these are some different types of conditions found in our country, in our state Assam. Now I am going to discuss about the factors which are influencing into the climate of Assam, particularly Assam. First one, you see factors affecting into the climate of Assam. First one is latitude. Number one, latitude. Latitude means location of our, absolute location of our state. I have already told you that Tropic of Cancer is going through south of Assam in the state Mizoram and Tripura. Okay? Therefore, Assam experiences subtropical monsoon climate. It is the main factor. If the location is in different region, then the climate will be definitely different. It is the latitude. Number two is geographical location. Geographical location and landforms. ভৌগোলিক অৱস্থিতি আৰু ভূপ্ৰকৃতি। এই ফেক্টৰটোৰ ইনফ্লুয়েন্স যথেষ্ট বেছি। গম পাইছানে? কেনেকে মই তোমালোকক সেইটো অসমৰ মেপ এখন চিম্পলি ড্ৰ কৰি তোমালোকক মই দেখাব বিচাৰিছোঁ। Suppose it is Assam. The northern part of Assam is covered by Himalayas mountain. Southern part, Naga Hills, Patkai, Manipur Hills, Mizo Hills, Tripura Hills, and in this part, Meghalaya, Khasiya, Jaintia Hills. And here is located our Barai Range. So you see, all around all Assam is covered by hills and mountains. Generally, mountainous region has very pleasant and cold weather, you know it. Temperature is not so high. But the plain areas are generally warm than the mountainous region. You see, in Arunachal Pradesh, which is very nearby Assam, Itanagar, Tawang, Tezu, in Nagaland, Kohima, in Assam, Silchar, in Meghalaya, that is Shillong. So these are somewhat colder than the other parts of Assam, because they are located in high altitudinal region. And the plain region of the Brahmaputra river valley and Barak river valley of Assam, these two regions are plain. Therefore, temperature is generally high over this region. And there is another important point, is that Barak valley is somewhat high temperature than the Brahmaputra valley. That means Barak valley, Brahmaputra valley koi temperature to alopman besi, nearly 2 degrees Celsius is always higher than the Brahmaputra valley. ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ভেলীতকৈ বৰাক ভেলীত সদায় 2 ডিগ্ৰী সেলসিয়াছৰ টেম্পাৰেচাৰ বেছি থাকে ইয়াৰ কাৰণটো কি what is the main cause behind it do you guess it no you know Tropic of Cancer is going through south of Assam, that is Mizoram and Tripura. If we move to the southward, then temperature is gradually increasing. That means from polar region to equatorial region. You remember it, poles are always very, very cold. And if we move from polar region to equatorial region, temperature is gradually increasing from both hemispheres. Equatorial region experience high temperature and high rainfall. That means in our Earth, equatorial region has high temperature. As the sunlight over the region is always vertical. Therefore, temperature is high. So, if we move to the south, up to the equatorial region, then temperature is gradually increasing. So, Brahmaputra Valley and Barak Valley মাজত এটা ডিসটেন্সৰ ডিফাৰেন্স আছে Barak Valley to তলত Brahmaputra Valley to ওপৰত অলপ হলেও ইয়াৰ ডিসটেন্স আছে যদিও একেখন ষ্টেট হেতু কাৰণে কি হয় যেতিয়া আমি ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ভেলীৰ পৰা বাৰাক ভেলীলৈ তললৈ নামি তেতিয়াই বাৰাক ভেলীৰ টেম্পাৰেচাৰটো অলপমান বেছি হৈ যায় কাৰণ কেলে ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ভেলীতকৈ বাৰাক ভেলীটো ইকুৱেটৰিয়েল ৰিজনৰ ওচৰত সেইকাৰণে দুইটা ৰিভাৰ ভেলী ৰিজনৰ টেম্পাৰেচাৰ 2 ডিগ্ৰী সেলসিয়াছৰ ডিফাৰেন্স পোৱা যায় সদায় এই বা সামাৰে হোক বা এই উইন্টাৰে হোক কথাটো হয়তো ধৰিব পাইছে এইটোৱে হৈছে ভৌগোলিক অৱস্থান আৰু ইয়াৰ ভূ-প্ৰকৃতিৰ কাৰণে মই ক'লো যে মাউণ্টেনিয়াছ ৰিজন বিলাকত সদায় টেম্পাৰেচাৰ কম আৰু প্লেইন ৰিজন বিলাকত টেম্পাৰেচাৰ বেছি ইয়াৰ লগতে মই আৰু এটা পইণ্ট তোমালোকক ডিসকাস কৰি থওঁ যেটো কোৱা হয় mountain wind and valley wind ধৰ পাইছা পাৰ্বত্য বতাহ আৰু উপত্যকা বতাহ এইটো কাৰণে তোমাৰ কি হয় আমাৰ অসমত পাৰ্বত্য অঞ্চল আৰু উপত্যকা অঞ্চল দুটা ৰিজন আছে এই দুটা ৰিজনৰ মাজৰ উইন্ডৰ ট্ৰানজেকশন হয় mountain wind which is coming from mountain to river valley region and valley wind which is blowing from valley to mountain. Why is so? Because of temperature variation. In a mountainous region, temperature is low. So, this region have high temperature, high pressure of air. And in the valley areas, the temperature is high. So this region experience low temperature and low pressure. We know wind is blowing between high pressure and low pressure area. পার্বত্য অঞ্চলত আৰু উপত্যকা অঞ্চলত এয়ার প্রেসার ডিফারেন্স হওয়ার কারণে কি হয় উইন্ডৰ ট্রানজেকশন হয় উইন্ডৰ আদান প্ৰদান আৰু হেতু এটা হৈছে অসমত জলবায়ু নিয়ন্ত্ৰণত প্ৰভাৱ বিস্তাৰ কৰা এটা কাৰণ দেউ পাইছা ইয়াৰ পাছতে আৰু এটা কাৰকৰ কথা মই তোমালোকক ক'বলৈ যাম যে অসমৰ লোকেশন আৰু ভূপ্ৰকৃতিৰ কাৰণে কি হয় বৰষুণৰ ভিন্নতা দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায় মানে rainfall distribution is uneven due to landfall. You see, here is located Meghalaya plateau. Class-XII hills is located. Here is Nagaland and Manipur hills, and it is Barai hills. Southwest monsoon is coming in this direction towards Assam. And this southwest monsoon protected by Class-XII hills of Meghalaya. In which region rainfall occur very high amount, which is world recorded in Mawsynram and Cherrapunji region of Meghalaya. And rainfall occurred in this Dima Hasao district due to protection of southwest monsoon by Baraians and Naga hills also. So this part, next part of Meghalaya, that is in this region of Assam, is experienced as rain shadow area. বৃষ্টি ছায়া অঞ্চল বুলি কোৱা হয় এই উইন্ডটো সাউথৱেষ্ট মনসুনটো ইণ্ডিয়ান অচেনৰ পৰা আহিছে বে অফ বেংগলৰ পৰা আহিছে আৰু খাসিয়া-জয়ন্তী হিল বাৰাই লেণ্ডছ নাগালেণ্ড মণিপুৰ হিলছ এই হিলখিনিয়ে এই উইন্ডটোক প্ৰটেক্ট কৰে somewhat protect because the hilly region is not so high good height like the Himalayas, isn't it? So some amount of water moisture or some amount of wind is protected by these mountainous hilly regions. And because of this protection, the backward side, that is leeward side of this region is totally rain shadow area of Assam. Where is located Nagaon, Morigaon district of Assam, Karbi Anglong district of Assam, and part of Golaghat district of Assam, which has very low amount of rainfall in summer season, in the rainy season. It is only annual rainfall is 126 centimeter only. It is annual rainfall over this season. Due to this presence of Khassia-Jaintia, Barailand, Naga, Manipur hills, the region is experienced as rain shadow area, and due to lack of rainfall, the region is somewhat dry than the other regions of Assam. But in case of Barak Valley, here is located Manipur Hills, Mizoram Hills and Manipur Hills. This region also occur highest rainfall in Assam. And again, the wind move cross over this mountainous region and go up to the Himalayan foothills. And this foothills region also heavy rainfall region of Assam. Highest rainfall occur is recorded in North Lakhimpur district. Lakhimpur district is located here. Lakhimpur, Dhemaji is located here. Lakhimpur, Dhemaji, Tinsukia, these districts are located here. The highest amount of rainfall is recorded in Lakhimpur district, that is 335 centimeter rainfall annually. And lowest rainfall occur in Nagaon, Morigaon district, that is Longka, Lamding and Huzai region. Longka, Lamding region of Assam is lowest rainfall region, and Lakhimpur district, North Lakhimpur district, is the highest rainfall district of Assam. It is very important. So, it is only because of due to geographical location and landfall. Hope you clear it. And next is local disturbance. Next, third point. Fourth point is what? Local disturbance. What is local disturbance? মানে স্থানীয় disturbance is what it said. Disturbance, somewhat disturbed locally occur. Why? You know, Assam has lots of rivers. Brahmaputra, one of the largest river in the world, and its huge number of tributaries, lots of bills, lake, and you know, Northeast India is very dense forest region. Due to presence of this environment, lots of moistures, water moistures are created over this region, and rainfall occur locally. তাৰমানে আমাৰ ইয়াত থকা বিল, নদী, নদ নদী, গছ গছনিৰ পৰা ইভাপৰেশ্যন হৈ সেই ইভাপৰেশ্যনৰ পৰা ক্লাউড ফৰ্ম কৰি ইয়াৰ পৰাই ৰেইনফল কেতিয়াবা হ'ব পাৰে। সেইটো হৈছে লোকেল ডিষ্টাৰবেন্স, স্থানীয় বিবৰ্তন জলবায়ুৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত। হল বুজিছা চাগে? তাৰ পাছত আহিছে western disturbance, number 5. Western disturbance. It is also known as nor'wester. It is somewhat critical. That means difficult to understand, you remember. In the winter season, India is somewhat disturbed by the westerlies. Westerlies is a permanent wind which is coming from western side. The wind is coming from Mediterranean Sea, and gradually the wind is moving towards India, over Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Afghanistan. And in this point of Jammu and Kashmir, the highest mountain range Karakoram is located. And you know, there is a plateau which is known as Rock of the World, highest mountain plateau. Name is what? Name is Pamir Plateau. The wind is, that means the westerlies wind is divided into two parts in this Pamir Plateau. One is going to the northern direction and other is going to the south of Himalayas. The wind which is going to the northeast direction, it is going to the side of China, and to the south of Pamir Plateau, it is coming towards India. The wind has lots of water moisture at the very beginning near the Mediterranean Sea. Therefore, in winter season, Mediterranean climate experience high rainfall. But the wind is blowing over desertic region. Therefore, the wind is totally dry out. Wind to Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Arab, April already har pasot a region to is a semi-arid region, desert-like environment, temperature high. Hekarone water moisture to dry ho jay wind to. Aru he dry wind to ahi Pamir Plateau khuna mare. Pamir Plateau khuna mari duta direction of move kori gusi jay. Gusi joar pasot eta China phale jay, eta Indian Himalayan foothills or kinare di ahi thake. Bujila imanoleke. Next, you know that in the Himalayan foothills region, there is a big evergreen forest which is known as Tarai evergreen forest. In this evergreen forest, lots of water moistures are present there, which are created by the evergreen forest. And this dry wind capture these water moistures from the Tarai zone, and they are blowing over near the foothills region of Himalayas, Bihar, West Bengal, a foothills region ahi, a wind to Ketiaba, Ohomor chicken snake cross kori Ohomor bhitorot ketiaba a wind to humai. Aru a wind to Ohomor bhitorot a wind to Tarai zone to cross korar pasot jiphale diye ahe a wind to he region bilakot kinkinia borokhun diboloi arambho kore. Heavy rainfall is not found in this due to this westerlies. Low amount of rainfall is found, very low amount of. Aru iahi Ohomor bhitorot humoar pasot Ohomotu winter seasonot rainfall hoboloi arambho kore. এই western disturbance karone etiao edin borokhon di hamoi nepare. Ei continue winter season of continue ek hoptah 5-6-8 din continue daoria botor kori borokhon di thake. Winter season etia ami jetia borokhon die continuously keba ghonta dhori etia ami tat ki boli ko western disturbance বা north disturbance of northwester বুলি আমি কওঁ হল এইখিনিয়ে হৈছে western disturbance winter season হয় অসমত ইয়াৰ প্ৰভাৱ তাৰ পাছতে আহিলে 6 cyclonic effect 6 নম্বৰ এই ঘটনাটো হয় advent of summer season আমি জানো এইটো সময়ত বংগোপসাগৰত ইষ্টাৰ্ণ জেট ষ্ট্ৰীমৰ কাৰণে আৰু advent of summer seasonৰ কাৰণে কি হয় সেই ৰিজনটোত লো প্ৰেছাৰ ক্ৰিয়েট হয় আৰু এই লো প্ৰেছাৰটো গ্ৰেজুৱেলি ইণ্ডিয়ান সাবকন্টিনেন্টৰ ফালে আহি থাকি ক্ৰমে উৰিষ্যা ৱেষ্ট বেংগল বাংলাদেশ সেই এৰিয়াটো সাংঘাতিক এটা সাইক্লোনিক ইফেক্ট ক্ৰিয়েট কৰে এডভেন্ট অফ সামাৰ সিজনৰ সময়ত আৰু হাই ডিষ্ট্ৰাকশন আৰম্ভ হয় এই সাইক্লোনিক ইফেক্টটোৱে আহি অসমৰ ভিতৰতো সোমায় কিন্তু ই অসমৰ ভিতৰত ইয়াৰ মানে ইফেক্টটো গ্ৰেজুৱেলি কমি যায় অসমত কেলে কমি যায় অসমৰ সবফালে মাউণ্টেনে আগুৰি আছে ইয়াৰ ইম্পেক্টটো বাৰাক ভেলীত অলপমান বেছি কিন্তু কি হয় অসমত কম মানে ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ভেলীত কম হয় ওকে এইখিনি হৈছে ফ্যাক্টৰস এফেক্টিং ইন দ্য ক্লাইমেট অফ আসাম ক্লাইমেটৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি অসমত 4টা সিজন মেইনটেইন কৰা হয় এটা 1 নম্বৰ সিজনটো হৈছে প্ৰি মনসুন মনসুন আৰম্ভণি পিৰিয়ডটো প্ৰি মনসুন বুলি কয় ইট ইজ স্টার্ট ফ্রম মার্চ টু মে এন্ড নেক্সট ইজ মনসুন সিজন June to September that means heavy rainfall period June to September and retreating monsoon season next one retreating monsoon season means gradually southwest monsoon is retired gradually disappear and at last dry winter which is in winter season and there is no rainfall hope you all of you clear about it about the climate of Assam it is very important lesson for you and try to write the question answers which I have given okay this much is enough for today and in the next class I will discuss about the population distribution of Assam okay goodbye for today thank you